So here's a secret. Your feelings and the facts, they don't always agree. And smart girls learn which ones to trust and when to trust them. See, we live in a world where emotions, they are running high, especially as a teen girl. One day you're going to feel unstoppable, and the next day you feel invisible. And the trap? Well, the trap is making permanent decisions based on temporary feelings. Feelings are real, but they are not always true. Facts, on the other hand, well, they don't care how you feel. They just are. The problem is learning how to balance the two. I can remember when I was younger, I would get so mad at my mom. I mean, she'd say something and my feelings told me she didn't love me, or she didn't care, or she didn't understand me, she didn't get me. But the facts? Well, she was the one who showed up. She was the one who cooked and cleaned and worked hard for us. I mean, my feelings weren't lying. They were telling me that I was hurt. But that wasn't the whole truth. So if you only follow your feelings, you'll act on impulses that you might regret later. And if you only trust facts, well, you'll ignore your humanity and your own intuition. So the real confidence move is learning how to listen to both, but not letting either one run wild. So what is this connection to my recipe for confidence? Well, grit plus moxie plus critical thinking. Grit is pausing before you react, even when your feelings are loud. Moxie, well, you're facing the truth of the facts, even when you don't like them. And that critical thinking, which is always my favorite, the secret ingredient, is simply sorting them out. Like, what am I feeling versus what do I actually know to be true? And that's the recipe that keeps you steady when life just feels chaotic. And again, there's no BS here. I tell you straight, I have ruined plenty of moments by trusting feelings that just weren't facts. And I've missed out on a lot of joy by clinging to facts, but ignoring my feelings. So balancing those, it's a skill. This balance is exactly what I teach in my book. So my challenge for you is next time you feel something big, like jealousy, anger, sadness, or excitement, stop. Write down a few things. Write down what you feel and what you know. And then make your decision based on both of them. Because that's how smart girls turn chaos into clarity. Feelings aren't the enemy and facts aren't cold. But when you mix them wisely with grit, moxie, and critical thinking, well, that's when confidence rises.